10 seconds late, but it's alright. First off, I'm just gonna say, on behalf of myself and the rest of the Ironship team, welcome to the event.
Hello.
This is obviously, as you've all been chatting non-stop about for the majority of the day, the V2 launch.
Is here.
It's
It's taken 4 years to.
after God knows how long of planning from myself, Kai, and the rest of them. It is on YouTube.
We are
So,
YouTube and Twitch.
that being said, YouTube, Twitch,
Okay.
anywhere else, I don't know. I would like to say, welcome to the event.
Yay! Woo.
First off, before we start giving you what's coming, have you got any questions? Let's do a few questions.
I'll keep an eye on. Let me just double check. You can actually hear it on YouTube. Yep, cool.
Yeah, so
Yep, that's working. Yep. I'm going to go monitor YouTube.
Question.
I've got Twitch chat up and whatnot, so any questions on YouTube as well, we will get to them. Wait, huh? Please. Okay, no.
will duties be fixed? Duties have been fixed. They've had a complete overhaul. So yes.
Duties have been fully done. Yes.
There you go. What's the future of V2? Honestly, I'll let the video show you. I'm not really gonna spoil what's coming because the video explains quite a few of the key points of what is to come, which I'll show you in a minute. Map system, you'll see. Again, there is something you'll get to see. It's out. The update itself is not.
Which update?
V2, not actual release yet. You can't actually get onto it yet.
Well, if you go, in fact, I can actually disable that now. The site, it just says site lock.
Right.
Don't worry.
So, what I will do is I will get that video ready. So,
wait, are you just gonna stream it?
yes, I will.
Okay, then I will not switch my OBS scene. Then I will just full screen you.
Screen share.
Hold on, let's pull that up.
Are you ready? Go away, Edge.
That's,
Edge?
Huh?
There we go. Right, let's go.
I'm actually full screen. Can we full screen?
I don't think you can actually go into full screen. I think you just have to drag and hide.
Apparently not. Okay.
And with that, that is the end of that video. So I'll show you again in a few minutes. But that time I'll go through and we'll stop at each point and talk about it. But no, the rest of that video is just literally just the MBT banner.
It was meant for me to waffle over.
That is,
I was meant to waffle over it and then I just kind of didn't.
Yeah, so honestly, with that shows the main features coming. So you've got the fully redone livery design menu. We've made it a lot more simpler and user friendly
Yeah.
to make it so then hopefully the staff team can focus on the harder side of livery designs and tackling the more challenging ones, which then would then make it easier, faster for you, for anyone needing liveries, specialist liveries, and also makes it easier so people can learn to do it themselves. The new livery design I've had a little go with it is very simple.
Wait.
Very easy.
Oh, wait, hold on.
And I will say, you will get used to it. Mapping. There's a full new map system. So we've took a bit of work to get in it, but it now works. So there is, that will then tie into with the ticker update. That'll be pushed at the same time, I believe. To incorporate both of them together.
My ticketer is going to be
We've
about
got-
a week behind. Due
Oh,
to
so-
some API issues there that are still ongoing that I'm trying to figure out. I'm also trying to figure out why login isn't working at the moment. But this will be.
Yeah.
This is why it's delayed because it's all crashing and burning.
Yeah. So we're just covering it. But London on top, yeah, you can make custom route maps. So it is all custom up to what you want.
All mapping is now done within MBT, so you don't need
There you
to
go.
do Google My Maps or anything like that. It is all within MBT. It is actually mobile friendly, and if you're on mobile, you can now actually add a map.
So as Kai just said, a lot of the changes I've also adapted to be user friendly. For both PC and also to adapt the mobile interface, because one of the first things I noticed was the mobile side was,
Lackluster.
yeah, weren't as good as what the PC were, so everyone on mobile was struggling more to use it than what PC were, but with that we've upgraded everything to make it more user friendly. Right, please don't spam. I know you're all excited, but please don't, because I want to be able to read questions as they come through.
Crap.
Right, West Midlands, stop spamming. Thank you. So, the maps, deliveries, the sales of buses. So a lot of people saying it's unfair about people was sniping all the UC vehicles. With V2, there's now limits to how many vehicles you can get in a time frame, which should hopefully make it so it's more fair for everyone.
That's the plan anyway.
What do you mean that's the plan?
Well, yeah, that
Have you
is.
not incorporated the limit?
No. I mean, the plan is it should be more fair. Hopefully.
Oh,
Yeah.
what is the limit? Everyone's asking.
I can't remember. I'll have to go look back through the code. Give me a minute on that one. Login is just killing itself at the moment.
Right,
I'm not
that's
sure
fine.
why.
Fine. No, right. So Jacob, it's not. We're not limiting you. We're limiting how many you can get from UC when we do a mass UC sale. So you can still create as many as you want.
Yeah.
But when they all go on sale from abandoned buses, that's where the limit is.
It's with all companies, so everyone has a fairer chance to actually get stuff that they want.
Oh,
Just for
so there we go.
Yeah.
From everywhere. Austin, yes, the login same. All the profiles have been already
Yeah.
converted over to V2. That's
Just
all been done.
Login is currently giving an error, and I'm trying to figure that one out.
So Jacob, it's not major. It's purely because too many. We've had it where we're doing UC sales and people are mass taking vehicles and then selling them again. So that's why we've looked at incorporating this to make it a bit more fair for everyone. Aaron, it won't because the site's down. And TT, we're not here to talk about mine train times. Thank you. Craig, yes, it will be. After we've finished the event, we should hopefully have it live.
Yeah.
Aaron Ticketer relies on MBT, so there will be a few issues with it, obviously due to one side being down.
Yeah.
So it needs your MBT logins to
Ticketer will be down for about a week just due to some API issues that I'm currently working on. But after that, it will all work. There will be some minor Ticketer updates as well.
UC, what is UC? UC is basically
Abandoned Buses LLC.
a company that, it's a company that me and Kai manage. It's just basically, so if a user deletes their company, all the buses that are in that company get dumped into UC, and then they'll go back on sale whenever me and Kai feel. What's the question? Yes, my side has been sorted, yeah.
Is Ash here? No, they're not. I don't see
Aaron, when will, as I've said, Marvel Times will be back up and running when we finish the event and when we finalise a few little issues that we've been running into. So Austin, that is to get your buses back, all you have to do is open a ticket. If you've already been set for sales, or then there's nothing we can do. But if they haven't gone for sale, then we can. But I think there is is it like 3 steps to delete a company now? Did you say?
To delete a company, you have to go to edit operator and then delete and then confirm delete. You can't.
Yeah. So
yeah.
You can't accidentally delete it. We've added in. If for that's fine, just pop any question in there and I'll keep checking it. I'll just show you a message. Yeah. Callum, it will be, as I keep going, we'll keep saying, as soon as we've got the event over and we finalise the importing, because the importing of data is taking longer than what we expected it to take.
And then had some issues after that.
Which we've dealt with by putting money to upgrade just for a temp transfer time. But we're dealing with it, we're getting on top of it as soon as we get it out. And as soon as we can, it will be out. Yeah. So
trying to read YouTube chat.
The home page, as also as some of you saw in the video, because I know I saw 2-3 comments on it. The home page has fully been redone. It's been neatened, organised, and we've made everything a bit clearer. So before it was harder to change stuff. So for example, when you create the company, it automatically takes West Midlands. Now it doesn't.
That's one thing, you pick the region when you create it.
Yeah. So when you create a company, it asks you what region you want. Your group, if you want a group. Your website, Twitter, and your transit authority. And there's other features I'm not going to say them all, because I don't want to ruin it. And I want you to all be able to pick and find as you wish. So it's just Twitter and then website, so you can add what you want into them. Nathan, we're working our hardest to get it ready. It's literally just a waiting game for the imports to be finalised. Yeah.
And also the fact that login is just given an error.
Yeah. So at the minute we're just dealing with a few minor errors. and the
It was
importing, and then
working
we'll be
5
alright.
minutes ago.
Will we? No. Zoe. No. All the companies, everything from V1 is transferred over. So, companies, your accounts, your vehicles, your routes, everything is transferred over. That's what's taking the importing so long. Because we didn't expect how much data there is.
I also didn't expect it to take this long to import all
I
that.
think just to give you a bit of realisation, just for trips alone, there is 5 million records. That's just for trips.
For a second.
It's just for one part.
Yeah.
That doesn't include the routes, it doesn't include timetables, it doesn't include vehicles, liveries. If only that's, it's nice to hear that we're getting better. Honestly, me and Kai sat here for about the past 4 hours. Working, doing different bits. I've been sat there planning this event. Kai's been finalising the importing.
Trying to get it to work.
I will honestly. Is there any staff here that have had a go on V2? Because I think there is. Aaron, all applications have been just delayed until they have to V2 it. As soon as we get V2 out, I'll be back on applications. Astrid, let me invite you up. Or just bring yourself up if you can, I don't know. There you go. Come on up. Hello. Astrid, can you even speak? I forgot about that. There we go, that's fine. Astrid, in your opinion, what do you think of V2 as one of the people that's actually engaged with it and trialed it?
Deploy.
Everyone's hyped. I'm hyped.
Okay, hold on.
And to notice that a lot of you have still attended even though it's an hour delayed is great, so I'm going to say thank you all for attending. That the amount of work, as I say, can we all get a ping in chat for Kai and just say thanks to Kai, because Kai put mental amount of work. Yeah, go on. This is the only time I'll allow you to spam. There you go. Have a bit of fun. Spam pinging Kai for a few minutes while I have a breather from talking. Kai, if you want to talk about it, you can do.
Yeah, fucking 2.5 months, I think this has been. Wait, no, maybe longer. I don't even know at this point. I just want it to work. We're nearly there. Right, deploy. Hopefully with that, if I then refresh that page. I said refresh that page. Why is that still not working? Oh, because I haven't updated that, that's why.
I will honestly say,
Mm-hmm.
the amount of work I've seen Kai do for V2 is mental. I've never seen Kai so dedicated to doing it.
We don't talk about the amount of hours I've put into VS Code on Discord.
I mean, if Discord recorded the amount of hours, I reckon it's easily done 300-400.
Brooklyn, can you just keep an eye on
if not more.
YouTube and Twitch real quick, just while I'm doing this, because I don't want to miss any important questions over there.
I don't have the links on no account.
It's literally just at my bus time, so that's literally it.
Ow.
Why is this still giving me a bad gateway?
That is actually a good point. MBT hasn't hit a year old yet. That is mental to think.
MBT
And we're already at 2.3k.
Well, my user does not exist. Mine.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a moron. That's why that's not working.
No comment on that matter. So I've talked about the homepage redoing. I've talked about fleet management.
Yes.
The fleet page has been redone. It's now a lot smoother. What?
Helps to actually give that the password that it's looking for. Deploy.
I don't know what you're saying. But no, honestly, there's a lot that's changed. And
there we go.
Alongside Kai, and the rest of the ownership, can't wait to drop it.
What do you mean?
Talk about the Kai. How far away are we from dropping it?
It should be dropping now, but hold on. I just need to update the requirements file and then do a quick rebuild, and it should be working.
So are we close?
I hope. Data importing wise, according to data importing, it is finished. Hold on. I should just need to.
Oh, wow.
That's either failed or has actually worked. I'll have a look at that in a moment.
So we're on track for a 7:30 launch.
Yes, hopefully. As long as this builds in time, we should be on track. Docker compose down.
You heard it. Right, and fuck. Right, can we stop sending photos, please? Because it's making the chat go too quick. I can't keep up. Can we send messages from bus times to my ticketer? What?
Yeah. So that will be coming when
my brain didn't incorporate that.
That will be coming when.
Can we send messages from MBT?
We'll have MBT messaging basically, which will be incorporated into.
There'll be something.
Yes, then you will in the drop down once the ticketer update is out. Also messaging will actually work. It won't just send to someone random. Most of the time, the admin account gets a load of messages. Hopefully.
Hello.
Okay, admin panel, please. I think. API admin. I think it's online. Give it a minute. Let me just check trips real quick. I don't actually know if trips will load because there's so many of them. Fleet. I think we're nearly there. Why is this going so slow?
That is mental.
The actual site seems to be more or less working. It's...
Oh, Aaron, it won't be one, it'll be many.
Thank you. My God. Wait, why is this? This shouldn't be being so slow. Hold on.
Right. Also, that's something I forgot to cover. The ads. Obviously, a lot of you were aware we added ads into the site a month or so ago. We've now added a way that people can take rid of the ads for a small price of £1 a month.
I may have messed up route import slightly, but route import is relatively quick, so don't worry about it. I may have set the route
So
name to the same as the route number.
yeah, Kai.
So good. We're nearly there.
Also, Kai, you didn't add me as other admin.
I'll sort that in a moment. Hold on.
Well, I was gonna use it to give a bit of fucking leaks and stuff. I can't even click out.
Hold on. What's your account? Hold on. Wait.
What do you mean, what's my account?
Admin.
I don't even know myself.
I don't know. API admin. Users.
That's my username. I'll just empty it.
Cool, yeah.
Right, Aaron, a quick thing out of context. That thing with Joe Dobson, what he did with the screenshot of the dart, that was planned. It wasn't a leak, it was a joke of a leak.
There we go,
So
but
that
you
was
should be
my thing.
super useful once that actually goes through. Why did that not go through? Oh, because your team. The only thing that hasn't moved across properly is when you your pre-selected theme.
Also, Kai.
Yeah. If you're going to tell me about
Pre-selected theme's been moved,
what do you mean?
but like the theme's still the same.
No, because I manually set yours from the admin. Everyone else will be on MBT Light. Why is that not?
Oh, a quick thing.
If you're going to mention the fleet page, I know I'm working on that.
No, not that. The history doesn't show, and no tags are showing.
What do you mean no tags are showing?
Like, no user tags.
Do not get me to import history again. Hold on, I need to actually enable the feature flag for that. View underscore history enable.
Right. So right. While we're just finishing off these little bits, now I've got access to like who wants to see the site.
Oh crap.
Who wants to see the site?
Brooklyn.
Let's hype people up. Yep.
So it turns out my user has been given everyone's edit history. It's fine. I should be able to do that live. We'll be fine. That should be fine live.
Yep. Right. If you all want to see some sneak peeks before we release it, and I'll go around the site and you can ask for different bits, spam V2 in chat.
While you're doing that, I'm going to try and fix deliveries.
Yep. Oh, give me 2 minutes.
And now he disappears for 4 years. Anyway, how is everyone? That's it, route branding, not route name. Import routes, route name to route branding rather than that. I'm knackered, I'll be honest. Where's YouTube gone? With people actually. Right. Okay. Do not want to import trips again. I've just realised trips might not have fully imported. But we'll figure that one out in a moment. Well, that's importing. I'm going to have to figure out why that is not showing the livery. Yeah, it'll be live as soon. We just need to get some final bits imported, and I need to figure out why liveries aren't showing correctly, because they're on there, it's just not showing the actual icon at the moment. And I have no clue why, because it was earlier. I know why. And vehicle.color is not equal to null. We're nearly there. Where's the if that item.livery else if item.color? Okay, that's working now. Please show me livery icons. Why is this taking so long? I'm trying to figure out why this has been so slow at the moment. Where's that? No. You know what, we're going to quickly recode this to be different. So that goes to there. That goes to there. That changes to else. And then okay. Show me livery icons. Why is this taking so long to load? What? Oh, that's meant to be ender, not else if. Yes, I am aware that the site says it's locked. It's because it's locked. It is admin only at the moment because I'm just trying to figure out why this is still not working. Right, if it... Why is that still showing the colour? Has it finished importing all the routes yet? No, it has not. Okay, right. Liveries are working again. Liveries are working. I think. I'm trying to figure out why this is being really slow because at the moment I would let everyone on it, but it's being too slow to actually be like acceptable and usable. Seriously. Oh, that's why. Why has that restarted itself? For some reason, MBT V1 came back online on its own and was using a load of system resources, but no, the V2 is still being really slow. Why is it being so slow? Where's Brooklyn at when you need him to actually do some waffling? How badly is the server crapping itself at the moment? Yeah, still nothing over on Twitch chat, that's fine. What was I going to look for? I can't remember. So we're going to open Webmin and see how much the server is just dying at the moment. Hello, Leo.
Hi everyone. I'm just gonna make an announcement again, as I did last time. Staff will need time to process everything again, so please do not rush the team, because I've noticed that recently there's a lot of people being added by members. So please let the team get through that as soon as I can. Thank you.
So, replying to the message regarding Ticketer, moving forward, it's going to be, so you'll be able to go into your dashboard, into your user settings, and in there you'll be able to set a ticket code for yourself. I think, is my mic working okay? Yes, you can when the update is actually done. MBT. Cool. I just saw someone saying they can't hear me. Leo is my partner. They help with the kind of public stuff and whatnot. Why is the stream quality just dropped so low? Jeez. Oh no, it's my computer, never mind. It's all good. I think anyway. Hello. How's it? Nano buffer. Oh, that's why it's running so poorly. It's sort of all running off a single thread. Hopefully, if I restart that now quickly. System reloading. Still, it's very slow. yes, it will show a bad gateway for a minute just while I'm sorting some bits out. Boop, boop, boop. Hopefully this should help deploy. Please don't be so terribly slow. There we go, that seems to be being faster now. Ah, shit. Right, hopefully one final import of routes, and it should. I'm working on forgot password. Give me just a minute. That needs to be sorted. If you want, open the support ticket and we'll do it manually. Hopefully in a minute this should be okay. Right. We're getting there slowly, I think. Hopefully this should... I'm just trying to figure out why it's running so slowly. because it's running really quickly on my laptop, and now it's on the server, it is rather slow.
Hello.
Hello. I'm just trying to figure out why the database
Hello.
has been so slow. If you could waffle to people, that'd be lovely.
Have you dropped it?
What do you mean, have I dropped it?
Like, have you released it?
No, I'm
Or
trying.
nah?
I'm trying to figure out why the database is running so slowly.
Do you want me to show them? Then.
You can show them, but it's running really slow.
Mate, it's running fine for me.
Is it? I swear to God, if this has been my computer
Yeah.
the entire time, and I've just been going insane.
Look. Oh wait, maybe not. No, it's not running too bad. So, as you can see, people. Let me just get this chat back up so I can see the chat too.
I can't restart my PC because
This
it's
is the
importing
sign.
data at the moment.
Look at this.
So look,
Yeah,
if
no, I
you go
can't
onto a
restart his PC, otherwise it will shit itself.
If you go into a region, that's what I'm
If
saying.
we go into what?
You go into a region, it feels
Fine.
fine. Go onto a fleet list with a large amount of vehicles.
Where is it? Where is it? Why? Also, why are they not fucking?
Oh shoot! I haven't ordered them, have I? Give me a minute on that one.
No, you haven't. Ah, fucking hell. Yeah, where's my companies? Hold on.
Maybe if you didn't have a million or more. companies.
Let's travel UK. Now this might shit itself.
I've just realised I haven't added a cap to per page.
Yeah, Josh, yours has 300 plus. Mine has 12,000 plus.
Okay, no, I think it might. Hold on, I'm just redeploying the server. Give me a second. It might just be my PC that's crapping its pants.
Yeah. Nope. They server shit itself.
No, that's just because I've literally just restarted it. That'll be why. That's why that's just happened.
Hold on then. No, Callum, we're just fixing it. Ew, Volvo.
Well, that's not that bad.
Joking. Oh. I mean, it's just a B network wannabe, that. Not saying, just saying. No, but yeah, Kai is shitting itself, but then again, that it always does for that company, so.
Yeah, limitless. Try like a normal company.
Limitless is limitless, literally. I'm just trying to think what. Let's try. Let's try the prep yard. I don't think that has too many. Don't think. Look at you all. You're all so eager. Look at you all.
Hopefully that should have.
Oh, I can't show that.
Why can't you show that?
I was just opening the DM and I just realised what it said.
What DM?
Yeah, Kai.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think it's working. Give me a second.
Where have I been pinged up here? Been pinged in general. We're getting there. Slowly but surely we're getting there. Right. I don't get why that's not ordering by operator name. That should be ordering by operator name. User profile.
I am just gonna waffle so Kai can like
Thank you.
think. Because surprisingly, Kai can't think and do work.
Bloody hell, in the time that I've ran downstairs, opened the door, told someone to fuck off, and then came back upstairs, it's loaded.
What company is that? Limitless.
LT Prep Yard.
Oh, how
My
many
prep
has got on
yard.
it?
Like, why is it scrolling up that? Quite a lot. 1,300.
Hold on.
Joshua, stop flirting with Austin as well.
Right, Lennon, I've told you 3 times. If I tell you again, you'll be getting a warning. Stop asking. Go to DMs. That's what it's for.
It was causing a load of
No,
issues.
but we all know what you... Yes, and it's... Oh. Yeah, look, York Link. Most of the stuff in here, apart from the million odd coaches, are all fucking Astrid's old flyers.
Just temporarily, I'm going to limit it to 500 per page.
Look at all
Just
that.
so that actually loads.
Look at all that. Ooh, helpy. Oh, look, people, look. This is something you all didn't know about. Well.
Have you even actually had a look at it yet?
Well. Computer says no. Oh, I can add an update.
We love it when Kai's computer doesn't work.
Kai, the affected routes doesn't affect.
Have you got any routes on that company?
Oh wait, because no. Oh, hold on, there's no routes.
Yeah, I was gonna. If you've got no routes.
Running board.
Hold on, let me add the feature toggle for view helpers.
This is the new.
So yeah, the problem was I accidentally.
Kai.
Yeah.
It's fine. I'm talking.
I accidentally
Look at this.
all the
Look.
helpers, all the feature flags.
Look! You can loan it to one of your other operators. That's cool. I like that. We got rid of that. You can list. Look at that. Look how you list it for sale now.
Rather than trying to check boxes,
This is
to
me.
explain to everyone. Everyone knew that comes in. You have to go yes. You click the checkbox and then.
Yeah. We made it easier by literally just putting a massive fucking button that says list for sale.
There you go. You can now add helpers.
Let me
Helpers
find.
are back now.
Where is it? Where the fuck is it? There it is. Look at this. Now.
What?
Excuse me.
Good sir.
Good sir, that is my operator. It does fucking exist. What? Hello?
It doesn't exist now, but.
Why is my operator just... Hello? Good sir? Okay then, we'll do it this way. Oh.
That still might not work.
Not Kai?
Yeah?
Why?
Right, try a different Go bus company.
So you should go with Manchester. I could go to my storage yard.
Okay,
On a totally random note,
Bruce.
right,
as you can see,
before anyone continues asking, I know the site is locked. The site is locked because it is not working at the moment. Please, I'm trying to solve this.
We're doing this. Cry. Yeah, look, I've lost an operator.
That's the thing, it's there. Right, hold on. Really weird. Try putting a space after the trailing slash. Like, sorry, before the slash. So, after Manchester, add a space.
You mean there? Oh, no. After the Manchester.
No, I know you're just asking. It's fine. No, I've...
Huh?
Okay, I know you're just asking. It's fine. I've just repeated myself a couple times now, and I just want to make sure everyone's heard it. I'm not having a go at anyone. Why is it? And this is just stressing me out. If primary... It's primary.root name. And
How do I edit the company? Oh, edit operator. Oh, there we go. That might be why it had a fucking space in.
Babe.
I now broke it again.
okay.
Yes,
Oh,
I fixed it.
Well done. Yes, if your
Yeah,
company
I know. I'm doing the.
just try adding a space afterwards.
Add a space and break some shit and
Why
yeah.
is that? Huh?
They should create a new operator. What it looks like. So you've got all the places and
Why is that?
You can-
No.
can you choose multiple? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I definitely didn't read that bit.
Yep.
Type none.
You can.
Nice one, Kai.
Brooklyn, can you go request some types quickly so I can approve them? If anyone wants to put in chat and what. Leo helps with ownership stuff. That's who Leo is. He is also my partner. Why is that not working?
Nice one, Kai. I love that. Operator type none. Your local government body, your Twitter, your Facebook, and whatever the fuck else you've got. Ah.
Right, hold on.
You know, that is. I'll say it's. You know, we're gonna have these teething issues of little errors, but to say, look at this, you can't complain like that. That's a whole new running board systems. You've got your updates, you've got your helper. I can add a helper. Look at this. Yeah, good luck. You can.
I haven't added search for that.
Yeah. Yeah, you have. Yeah, you have.
No, I haven't.
Look, I can search.
Can you?
What? Oh, the.
What?
What?
Hold on, I need to re-import all the routes because unless it had a route name attached to it, it's currently set itself to null.
We have got a time. Birthing.
I'm just trying to get routes to import properly.
It will take as long as it takes. Oh yeah, if you want the support, look, this is what you can do. You can now buy to get no ads.
You can also gift it to your friends if you have friends.
Kai, that is.
What?
Also, guys, guess what? You can get a year for £10, or if you want to be nicer, you can get a year for £12.
I know
Not
that's.
saying, I'm just saying.
I know that's bugged. I know it's bugged. Right. Also, no, I did try implementing your.
And we're literally just finishing the last.
It screws up with Stripe-wise, and Stripe still tries to charge you for £12 rather than 10. Right, routes should be doing final import now, hopefully. Crap, why are they still coming up like that?
So how close are we to releasing? Look at this, people. Oh yeah, let's look at the map. Fucking hell, it's a bright map. Bright map. Look at this. Oh, fancy. This is what happens when Kai finds out what maps do. Don't know why you need to know where Morrison's is. But look, we've got a map on MBT. Yeah, the map will
So the map's in this
functional.
update. It's just to actually track on it. It will be in the ticket update in about a week.
Oh.
It'll be in the ticket update in about a week.
Oh.
Right, routes should be doing final import now, hopefully.
Oh.
Crap, why are they still coming up like that?
So apparently we've got a map that you can infinitely scroll.
Why is route importing taking so
Yeah.
long?
But for sale vehicles now looks like that.
Oh, actually,
You click
go ahead
buy.
and buy, and then is that your?
And
that
then
is-
we'll choose.
That is your operator, isn't it? Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm buying, but I'll buy it for
Well,
Global
it says on
Manchester.
there.
I don't know what word though. I don't fucking pay attention. I just clicked it.
Brooklyn.
Yeah.
Hold on. Nah, don't leak that. I didn't nearly leak our DMs, it's fine.
What? Oh, that's how you spell your name. Kai, it's still doing that thing where it's showing up on your name.
What do you mean it's showing up in my name?
Showing up on your Reddit.
That shouldn't do that. Hold on. That's meant to use...
www. That. Oh, I can't show your name in there.
Why is that doing that? Right.
I've just seen what you forwarded to me.
Yeah.
Yeah, apparently I mean it twice as well. Who? Oh, me. We're getting there with fixing bugs that we've only just found with the data
For
import.
some reason, every route name is set to null. Why is that still happening? Excuse me, you're not meant to be doing that. I thought I'd fixed that. Apparently I've not.
Apparently there's 15 of you online.
Oh yeah, if
What the hell's Axis theme? Ew!
that needs to be fixed. It's
It's
broken.
awful.
Can you
Yeah, it needs to be yeeted.
Can you delete it quickly so I can upload the correct one later?
What the fuck do I delete it?
You need to go to admin and delete it. Try not to leak anything too much.
Oh, admin. Oh, admin.
It's just on the admin. It's API admin. Because there's two admin portals, one for...
Oh, look at this. This is so fancy.
This is all the data
Yeah,
for
this is all
MBT.
shit that you can't get. Themes. Axis theme. Axis theme can go yeet.
See, look.
I love doing that.
You can't accidentally delete shit anymore, Brooklyn, because you have to confirm you're deleting
Okay
it.
then. Kai?
What are you? No, don't delete all themes. I swear to God, I'll actually kill you. Right, have all routes actually been cleared? All routes have been cleared. Right, why is that still putting null at the end?
Remember when you brought the TV with the admin panel? Of course I do, Barry. I'm good at that. I'm good at breaking shit. Yeah, so people, let's see how quick this loads. I reckon 3 minutes.
Right, I figured out what was causing the problem and where I was being dense, I hope anyway.
There's still 35 people here an hour later. That's mental.
This was not meant to take
You brought-
anywhere near this long if you couldn't tell.
It was meant to take 15 minutes. Let's get some V2 spam. Go on. Let's see how quick. See how quick who can get 200 messages first.
I've just seen B2A2.
I think A's, not V's. Fucking hell!
Oh my God.
What the fuck? Right, here's another one for you then. V2 spam, but pinging me with it.
Oh good God. Good luck.
I am not cleaning up this chat later. No way.
That is mad how quick that number's going up.
Who needs Brooklyn's stupid
My
pink
Yo.
eye?
computer
Who
can't
needs
handle this.
Who needs Brooklyn's stupid pink eye bot when we can just have the community do it?
I know.
Exactly.
I think I might need to make a roll call community fingers. Put all this lot in it. Oh, website killed itself. I'm back
I
to doing it.
know. Hey, roots are actually importing properly. Okay, roots are actually importing now, and they're not saying weird stuff. Oh my god, I've just seen a huge block of ping go through there. Web manage.py man. I can't spell manage.
Just a quick FYI, I only get one ping per that little like big block messages.
Right, Brooklyn trips.
What the? You're all mental, guys. Right. Oh, what?
What?
Okay, and now that is how you get banned.
Right.
You can go for a big fucking timeout.
Huh?
It's all good, Leah. Don't worry.
My laptop's still crashing,
Right.
by the way.
Everyone,
So-
once roots are finished importing again, you will be able to go on. Trips will be disabled until they've finished importing, but I'm just going to... So you'll be able to do everything other than logging trips, because I know how
Right.
excited
Oh,
you lot you are.
fuck's sakes. Fuck, Stosh, you're a bit late to the party.
Roots are nearly done.
Stosh just came in like, hello. Right, let's stop the spam now, please.
Right, while
Thank
you're
you.
doing that, I'm going to see
Please.
if I can quickly fix why everyone's edits are going to me.
What?
While you're doing that, while you're doing community.
No, not you.
Oh,
Shut up, you.
fuck you.
Honestly, Josh, this ain't me being blowing up what we're doing, but it is good, and I do think it is gonna be liked. So,
Trips,
10-15 minutes and
trips will be enabled.
MBT V2. What the fuck?
Trips will be re-enabled in the morning, because I assume this is going to take all night to actually import them all. Because we are
But it's fine, it's-
60,000 out of 5 million.
Are you actually joking?
What's up there?
What?
I just bought something for 25 and I've just found it for £5 cheaper. And
Oi.
like
Huh?
20 minutes later, I'm gonna kill myself.
Huh? My dad works for Northern and can make your train cancelled.
You don't need your dad to do that. Northern will just cancel it anyway. Right, hold on, let me just double check I'm not going to leak anything here, and then...
V2's releasing in about 10 minutes, calm down. Fucking hell.
As soon as Trips finishes importing, we will go.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna end the Twitch and YouTube streams here. To you guys, thank you very much for coming along.
Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye bye.